It's like my ultimate summer makeup. Like, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new, hello and welcome. Feel free to subscribe. I'm gonna get straight into this. It is one of my favorite looks to do, and this is just honestly perfect for summer. I think it screams summer, so let's get into it. I'm gonna start by just applying a little bit of lip balm. This is the Lawless Forget the Filler. I love this. Gives a little bit of like a subtle plump, but keeps them super hydrated. No matter if I'm wearing no makeup, minimal makeup, full glam, I'm always doing skin prep beforehand, no matter what. Dalba is sponsoring this portion of the video. As always, thank you so much to Dalba for partnering with me on this video. Truly one of my favorite products. Skincare to me is my most important part of my makeup. So I always go in with a cream, and I'm always going in with the Dalba First Spray Serum. Today I'm gonna go in with the Dalba White Truffle Double Serum and Cream. This is so amazing because it is a 2 formula in 1 jar type of cream, and this has helped my skin so much. It basically is a customizable cream for any skin type. It's white truffle, which is their signature ingredient, and it just helps the skin's elasticity. Serum's gonna help with the hydration, and the cream is gonna help with the moisture. In combination together, it leaves the skin super glowy. It has a really nice like light floral scent made by an Italian perfumer, but it's not harsh on the skin at all. I think it smells so incredible. Such a light floral scent, so fresh. And honestly, when you're putting it on the skin, it just feels like you're at a spa. It's also safe for acne-prone skin. It is dermatologist tested. It has helped my texture and my skin's elasticity, the glow, everything. Like, the texture of my skin just looks incredible. And this is obviously the before. Go in with a 1-to-1 ratio because I have more of a normal to combo skin. If you have combo skin, you would do equal parts of the serum and the cream. If you have dry skin, you could do 1 of the serum and 2 of the intense cream because it's gonna give more moisture. And then if you have more oily skin, you would do 2 of the serum and then 1 of the cream. This helps so much in the winter months for me with dry patches. It just leaves the skin so glowy. It absorbs and sinks into the skin so nice. I always get down to my neck as well. Sometimes I'll even go down as far as like the décolletage and shoulders, no matter what look I'm doing. So like I mentioned, this has Italian white truffles, which is really gonna help with the skin's elasticity. Instantly gives you such a stunning glow. It's been a part of my routine for such a while. I'm actually on my 2nd jar. I just visibly noticed my skin like looking so much better within the first week of using it. And if I have any dry patches, usually I'll get them around my nose. It clears it up. Totally takes away any type of flake. Like, it's just a win-win all around for anyone, any skin type. You can always switch out and customize to your liking, no matter what skin type you're having at that moment. I have been using literally like a lot from the brand. I absolutely adore them. I'm using them every day, whether I'm doing makeup or not. It's a part of my skincare every single day. White truffles are antioxidants. They're also called underground diamonds. It will quickly become a staple for you. So beautiful. You can find that on Amazon. So I will leave all these products listed and linked for you down below. I'm gonna start out by doing the Makeup Forever HD Skin Palette, taking these bronzing shades and applying it right here. The Dalba products just leave the skin so beautifully radiant to the point where the products just glide right with it and like they all melt together. So everything just looks so beautiful, so healthy, like it's doing something beneficial for the skin as well. Not just look-wise, it has the antioxidants, which is actually going to help out the skin now and in the long run. So we love that. Going with both of these for foundation, a little bit of the Smashbox and a little bit of the Beauty Blender. Mix them together. Of course, for summer, you definitely want to apply SPF. That would be applied right with your skincare. So definitely apply that. And you want to always make sure you tap on the ears. You have to blend it together. Go with a little bit of the Haus Labs concealer. One of my favorite natural concealers. It's super hydrating, and sticking with that theme for summer, this is one of the best. So I'm just gonna put it right in the inner area, up and down my nose. I'm actually gonna use the same brush to blend it all out, and I'll most likely be using this brush for bronzer as well. I'm gonna go in with my other Makeup Forever HD palette, which is a mess, but I'm gonna take one of those deeper shades to cream contour now. Just initially applying it with this brush and going back in with the It Cosmetics one. I feel like I've been bronzing the skin like usual, but I feel like I've been going in with a little bit more blush to kind of act as my bronzer in a weird way. Like, I'll apply more blush right here now when I never used to do that. I feel like that also gives a really stunning sun-kissed look. And just blend it all together in an upwards motion and just seamlessly melt all this together. I'm going with this Kylie Cosmetics cream blush in the shade Play for Keeps, and I'm just gonna use it on my finger and apply it right here. I've been loving this tone of blush for summer. Don't even get me started. Like, literally the best. I don't know how else to explain it, but the literal best shade. I don't really apply my blush too much in this area, but for summer, I think it looks stunning because I feel like it looks like I just got kissed from the sun. It looks so fresh and beautiful. So I do apply it right here in this time of year. I'm gonna add a little bit of this blush as well, which is the Pixie on the Glow blush. It's a tinted moisture stick and it's more of that pink shade. This is in the shade Floor, and I'm gonna just take it right on the brush. I'm gonna apply it back here. I love using cream products. You guys know that, but it's so good. Set that down. I'm going in with Haley's Retouch Setting Powder. Such a great setting powder. Before I do that, I'm gonna go in and spritz my face with the Dalba First Spray Serum. Give it a good shake and spritz away. So good, so refreshing. And I'm gonna go in with more of a pink setting powder as well to put on top of it. Any excess on the powder puff, I just kind of fluff on top because I don't want to have a full matte look, of course. Glowy looks are my jam, but also for summer, I want to have that hydrated look and I don't want to take it all away with powder. I want to keep myself set for sure, but I don't want to have a full like mattified look. So I just kind of gently pat on top of it and it does the trick. But of course, if you're more oily, want to have more of a mattifying look, you can apply more pressure and more powder, and that's how you're gonna get there. Then I'm just gonna take a little bit of the Huda Beauty powder, which is in the shade Cupcake, and apply just a tiny bit of this. It's more of like a muted, natural light pink. And just put it right here. In the Makeup by Mario palette, I'm gonna use one of these shades to run on my lower lash line. I'm thinking more of this like burnt orange tone. So stunning. So for summer, I love to have this tone on my lower lash line, kind of just like smoked messily. In fall, it's stunning as well, but for summer, there's something about it. It just makes my eyes pop. I guess because I'm a little bit more naturally tan and with like a little bit of the freckles and the blush and all of that, like it just makes my eyes pop even in the sun. Like I love it. So I just do it messily, and I honestly just do a tiny bit, and that's all she wrote on the palette. I literally don't do too much. And then I just run bronzer, just like my crease in the inner area, and just lightly apply. Doing it right here is just like more of a contour technique. Love, like literally love that. So simple, but it speaks, you know? I'm gonna take a little bit of the LA Girl matte bronzer, and I'm just gonna dust a little bit of this onto my cheeks. Lightly sweep, kind of in like a 3 motion. The Rare Beauty blush, which has a beautiful radiance to it. This one's in the shade Hope. So I'm just gonna lightly, a little bit of Dior palette, running it down the bridge of my nose. I don't want to add a ton. I don't really need any highlighter to begin with because I still have that really nice glow peeking through. Curl up my lashes once again. And take the Chanel mascara, the number 10 mascara, literally one of my holy grails. Cannot do mascara without it. Beautiful. This look can easily take me 5-10 minutes, literally like super quick. It's only taking me a bit long on camera because I'm explaining every step, obviously, but this is totally like a 5-minute makeup look. Like, I feel like it's super simple. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that blush and go right on top of it. I know that seems like a big no-no, but I actually like applying a little bit at the very end. Even though it's cream, just on top of it, I feel like it even makes it look a little bit more natural as well. A little on my nose. And then I also like to apply a little bit of faux freckles, so I'm just gonna dab a few. Taking the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Bare, I'm gonna go ahead and line up my lips. I'm also gonna go in with the Too Faced Lip Injection lip color in the shade Puffy Nude. And this is also gonna plump the lips up a bit. Then I'm taking my favorite lipstick, which is the Nova Beauty lipstick in the shade Tone, a beautiful nude. I'm gonna put that in the middle. Physicians Formula Diamond Gloss. You can apply this by itself in the summer and it's gorgeous. But over top of a lip color, stunning. I'm gonna spray my face one more time with the Dalba First Spray Serum. And then I just popped a little bit of that blush on my lips. So everything has like a monochromatic look to it. And kind of just do like a minimal amount on the eyes. That like actually naturally defines the lid space, but also gives a little bit of color, which is pretty. That is pretty much the entire look. This is my summer makeup. Honestly, for summer, I just add more of like the burnt orange tones and a little bit more of like a natural highlight. I'm gonna have all these products listed and linked for you down below. Thank you so much to Dalba for working with me. As always, I love them truly. And that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.